Menta eFPGA IP, we are an IP provider, European IP provider, and what we provide is programmable logic. So that's the ability for our customers, ASIC and SoC providers, to integrate FPGA-like programmable logic inside their ASIC or their SoC. And we provide both the hardware IP and also the software to be able to configure the IP.
So as a Codasip provides RISC-V IPs that can be customized using EDA tool, we are looking for the solution that enables us to do customization in the field. In other words, customization after the tape-out. Now the eFPGA technology that Menta provides actually fits very nicely into this scheme, because if you combine RISC-V, eFPGA and our tooling, then you can indeed do customization of the RISC-V CPUs after the tape-out, where you can put custom instructions or custom logic into the eFPGA part, and you can enjoy the fact that this eFPGA part is available through the generated SDK as well. In other words, you can use a compiler to compile your C code, and the C code then uses not only the standard instructions, but also the instructions that you put into the eFPGA after the tape-out.
Hi everybody, this is Ettore, application engineer at SmartDV. At SmartDV, we sell a huge catalog of design and verification IPs, from communication IPs, memory models, and any blocks that can surround a microprocessor in a system on chip or in a microcontroller. And we have a huge catalog, and we can provide off-the-shelf IP, or we can configure the IP to better fit your requirement, or even customize it together to get the best performance or the best area, depending on your need.
I'm really glad that we have a SmartDV as one of our partners, because if you combine the solution that the Codasip provides, which is RISC-V processor IPs, and what they have as IPs for the peripherals, then the ultimate solution, which is some sort of platform that combines those two, is really good for customers, because it's one-time shop for them. They don't have to kind of source different IPs from the different vendors. They can just stop by and have everything in one go. And the quality of the IPs is obviously really nice, and with the verification IPs that they also provide, the final solution is really great.
VTOL is a technology company and a service company. We are providing services in digital design, verification, and embedding. We're also an IP company. We develop our own SoC around RISC-V, and this is where we start working with Codasip as our partners.
I'm really pleased to have a V2 on board as a partner. They have access to our RISC-V portfolio, our RISC-V IPs, and thanks to the fact that they do have their own IP, they have peripherals, they do SoC designs, they can do anything from the reference platform up to the turnkey projects as well, using our technology. So we are proud of having them, because we can widen our ecosystem, we can widen the RISC-V ecosystem thanks to them.
We rule as a company created this SoC with a lot of different basic peripheral. One part of that SoC is based on EHB and APB peripheral, and our primary goal was to evaluate the performance and the functionalities of this SoC by utilizing RISC-V based SoC, and Codasip came as one as possible solution. We utilize their core and port our existing software, and we port our existing software libraries to the RISC-V based Codasip core, and this is what we got. On this board, we have different sensor. We have accelerometer, we have a temperature, and we have a display. The overall idea behind this demonstration is to show that our functionalities of this basic set of the peripheral, such as SPI, GPIO, I2C, and UART, are correct. So when I shake this one, I communicate with the accelerometer. The accelerometer detects the shaking, and the temperature is written on this 7-sec display, and here is presented our common picture that demonstrates collaboration between our two companies.